Hey guys, what's up? This is Riya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 current favorite skincare products. These are all of the products that I have been binge using and I'm really enjoying using all of them. The best part is that all of these products are really affordable as well. They all retail below rupees 500 or maximum under rupees 600. So they are very affordable and they work really well for me. So before I begin with showing you all of these products, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do that right away. Also click on the bell icon so that you're notified every single time that I post a new video. And also follow me on Instagram. The direct link to my Instagram handle will be mentioned in the description box below, so you can check that out. And with all that being said, let's quickly begin with today's video. So the first product that I have with me is this Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Aloe Vera Gel Based Makeup Remover. There are so many different oil based makeup removers, micellar water and also cleansing milk available in the market to remove your makeup, but this one is one of its kind. It contains aloe vera gel and it's a gel based makeup remover, and all you require is just a pea size amount of this to remove all of your makeup, the full face of makeup. You need to massage it all over your skin. It helps to break down the makeup very quickly in one single go, and then you can take a tissue paper or a cotton pad and just wipe it off and all of the makeup will be gone. So this is really easy and quick to use, and I love using it after every single time that I shoot videos. I don't really wear a lot of waterproof makeup, so this works well for me. This doesn't help to remove waterproof makeup, but it helps to remove normal makeup and water resistant makeup. The MRP of this is 175 rupees for 50 grams of product, so it's really affordable, and I highly recommend you give this makeup remover a shot. It's very affordable, it's quick, easy to use, and it's in the form of gel, so it's not gonna break you out or anything like that. The second product that I have with me is this IHA Foot Spa Kit. It's a Boroheal Foot Spa Kit and it contains 3 products: a foot wash and a scrub, a foot cream and a nail and cuticle cream. This foot spa kit has become a lifesaver product, especially in this lockdown situation where I haven't been able to go for my manicures or pedicures. I've been using this foot spa kit on both my feet as well as my hands, and it does the job so well. You can't really tell if I got a pedicure done from the salon or if I did it myself. This kit works wonderfully for your feet. The first product in this IHA Boroheal Foot Spa Kit is this 2-in-1 Foot Wash and Scrub. It's a very mild foot cleanser and it contains some loofah fibers inside it, which helps to gently exfoliate the dead skin and the hard skin from your feet, and it also helps to remove the dirt, grime, toxins and infections from your feet, and it makes the skin on your feet very soft, smooth and supple. The best part is that it contains gotu kola, basil and cedarwood, which are all natural antiseptics and healing agents, and they help to heal infections and they help to remove the cracks from your feet, thereby making your feet very soft, smooth and supple in absolutely no time. The second product in this IHA Boroheal is this foot cream. Now this is no ordinary cream. It has been specially formulated for tough skin like your feet. It contains some natural moisturizing actives like mango butter, kokum butter and neem oil, which are like super duper hydrating and moisturizing for your skin, and they deeply penetrate into your foot skin, thereby providing maximum hydration. Also, if you have excessive dry skin on your feet or if you have the problem of cracked heels, then this is an amazing product to try out because it contains detoxifying and healing ingredients like kajaput oil, Indian beech tree oil and borax, which all help to treat dry skin and also cracked feet, and they leave your skin feeling very soft, smooth and conditioned. Due to the advanced hydrating properties of this foot cream, I also love using it on my elbows and my knees, and the smell of this is so soothing. I love using it during the night time and also in the morning after a bath. And the third and the last product in this IHA Boroheal is this nail and cuticle cream. It again contains some rich hydrating ingredients like Indian beech tree oil and mango butter, which help to moisturize, repair and protect your dry cuticles, and it also helps your cuticles from splitting. It also helps to strengthen your weak and brittle nails. So if you have been working in a lot of water, if you have been washing dishes, clothes, sweeping the floors, etc., basically all water related work, then it does affect your hands and also your nails, and eventually your nails become brittle and they start breaking. So this is an amazing cream to hydrate and nourish your cuticles and your nails, and it helps to strengthen them and prevents them from breaking fast. So this IHA Boroheal Foot Spa kit has come really handy for me during the lockdown situation, and I love using it on my feet and sometimes also on my hands. The kit is available as a whole and you need to buy the entire kit to avail all of the 3 products, and the link to purchase this and the rest of the products that I mentioned in the video will be mentioned in the description box below. This entire kit retails for rupees 400 and you can do your pedicure with the help of this kit for at least 15 to 20 times. The cost of this entire kit is the cost of one single pedicure, so you can imagine how much money you can save by just using this kit at home and getting your pedicures done by yourself. Also, in case if you buy this kit, one little advice is that while using the foot wash and scrub, make sure that you don't peel off the plastic completely. Just use like one side of it, because it is a soap and it might like get dissolved if you use it in a lot of water, or if you keep it open, or if you keep it in the washroom. So just use it once and store it in the same plastic, and then keep it in the same box that it comes with. That way it's not going to get dissolved and you'll be able to use it a couple more times. The third product on my list is this Dermaco Benzoyl Peroxide Gel. This is an anti-acne gel and I use it as a spot treatment on the areas where I get acne or pimples. It helps to dry out acne and pimples very fast, and it helps to get rid of them very fast. It takes about like 3 to 4 days for a normal size pimple to go away with the help of this product, and if it's a very big pimple with pus and all of that, then it takes about a week for the pimple to go away. But it's really effective in removing the pimple, and this product has come really handy for me during the lockdown situation where I have not been able to visit a dermat for my acne issues. This product has solved all of my acne issues. The MRP of this is 299 rupees, and if you use it only as a spot treatment on your acne and pimples, then it will easily last you for approximately 3 to 4 months. Number 4 on my list are actually 2 products, and both of these help me in getting rid of acne marks. So I use the Benzoyl Peroxide Gel to treat acne, and for acne marks I use 2 products. The first one is this Dermaco Niacinamide Serum, and the second one is this Mamaearth Bye Blemishes Cream. Both of these products help to fade away and remove acne marks and any kind of other blemishes that you might have on your face. I already have a full video on this niacinamide serum, and I'm gonna leave it linked in the description box below. And in case if you want me to do a full review on this Bye Blemishes face cream, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll definitely make a full video out of it. So I use the Benzoyl Peroxide Gel at night before I go to bed on my acne, and then in the morning I apply any of these, either the serum or the face cream, on top of the areas wherein I have any kind of blemishes or acne marks. So that way the job of removing the acne and the acne marks is basically done together. And right now if I show you my bare skin, I barely have any acne marks left, just a few recent ones. But I am the kind of person who keeps getting acne all the time, and my face by far should have been filled with a lot of marks, but it's only because of these 2 products that I've been using for quite a while now that all of my acne marks have faded and gone away. The Niacinamide Serum retails for rupees 599 and Mamaearth Bye Blemishes retails for rupees 449. Number 5 on my current favorite skincare product list is this Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Toner. This is a pore tightening toner, and that is exactly what I use it for. So I have stopped using primer like 2 years ago, and that was the best decision of my life, because using primer for a prolonged period can actually make your pores even larger. So that is the reason why I stopped using primer. But because of not using primer, when I would apply foundation without a primer, it would kind of emphasize my pores, it would emphasize the texture on my skin, and that isn't really a good sight, especially if you see me like up close. So that is the reason why I started using a toner right before putting on makeup, and this is the best decision of my life. This toner helps to tighten my pores and it helps to minimize the appearance of my pores. So when I apply foundation without a primer, the foundation doesn't really emphasize as much texture, it doesn't really emphasize as many pores on my skin as it used to before, and my skin appears much more smoother and much more texture free, and it's all because of this toner. So this is the only toner that I've been using ever since I discovered this hack, and trust me, it's a life-changing makeup hack. So this toner retails for rupees 399 for 200 ml, which is quite a huge quantity. So those were my 5 current favorite skincare products that I've been binge using, and I enjoy using them so much. I hope you found the mini reviews of these products helpful. In case if you want me to do a makeup edition or a hair care edition of this video, then do let me know in the comment section below. Also, the links to purchase all of these products will be mentioned in the description box below, so you can check that out. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing, guys? Do that right away. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, that's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.